Hello everyone, welcome to Shantha Lakshmi IAS Academy. So today in this video, let us learn about the Telangana Schedule Caste subcategorization. So what is this news? On 134th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar this year, Telangana made a history by becoming the first state in India to implement the Scheduled Caste subcategorization. So what is this subcategorization? The subcategorization means the reservation within reservation. Providing reservation within the reservation. So before going into the details of this subcategorization, let us understand the background. What made the Telangana government to implement this SC subcategorization? So the first one is the Supreme Court verdict. On 1st August 2024, the 7-judge bench, headed by the then Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, upheld the constitutional validity of the subclassification of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to ensure the equitable distribution among them. This verdict overruled its previous judgment of E.V. Chinnaya versus State of AP of 2004. So following the Supreme Court judgment, the state of Telangana government has appointed a one-man committee to conduct a detailed investigation regarding this subcategorization. And this committee was headed by the retired Justice of High Court, Shamim Akhtar. This committee was appointed on 12th October 2024. And after conducting detailed study of investigations, this committee has submitted its reports to the chairman of the cabinet subcommittee, that is N. Uttam Kumar Reddy, on this 4th February 2025. So following the recommendations of the Shamim Akhtar Commission, the Telangana State Legislature in the last budget session has introduced the Bill of Scheduled Caste Rationalization of Reservations, Bill 2025. And that bill got assent from its governor on 13th April 2025. So that the bill became an act. And on this Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, on the day of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, the Telangana government has officially released a gazette regarding this SC subcategorization. So coming to the details of this SC subcategorization, the government has enacted Scheduled Castes Rationalization of Reservation Act 2025, which provides reservation for both in the education as well as employment within the state of Telangana. And this act divides the SCs into scheduled caste into 3 groups, where the group 1 includes 15 castes, and this group 1 will receive 1% reservation out of the existing 15%. And the next one is group 2. It includes 18 castes and will receive 9% reservation out of 15%. And the third one is group 3, made up of 26 castes, will get 5% reservation. So this is all about the Telangana's SC subcategorization or Scheduled Caste Rationalization of Reservation Act 2025 of Telangana. Thank you.